Noir gang, it's been a long time since I've given you guys any kind of update with the VR30 Swap 370Z, and the reason is because, well, there ain't no update. So this is what's going on until today. I got Cheyenne, I got Roger, he's over there peeing in the background, no big deal. So Martin sent me out 2 maps that, because, oh well, I guess I should go back to my car. I don't know why I'm going to the house. For about 2 months now, since, or more, I don't even know, since July, I've been chasing my car's fuel problems for such a long time, just because the high pressure fuel pump wasn't getting any fuel. This car, the VR30, runs off of coolant for the turbos. As you guys, so these are the coolant lines. It goes down here, whatever, goes down to the heat exchanger that is actually right here. And there's supposed to be a coolant sensor that I actually deleted. Now here's the key to success for any kind of swap or tune. You should probably tell your tuner every single thing that you do, because then he's gonna assume that you're good, but you're really not. Let me grab the laptop so we can load the maps, and I'll tell you guys what happened. And I'll also show you, because it's pretty stupid. Alright, so just to show you guys what's going on, because right now I'm trying to load in the tune, but unfortunately this laptop only has 1 USB port and I need 2. But this is what was going on with my car. So Martin says that he believes it was being put into limp mode because apparently my car is chilling in the Arctic at -47 degrees, which was causing my car to not want to run. The ECU was putting it in limp mode, which is very frustrating because I deleted the coolant, the charge air coolant temperature sensor, which there's a lot to say. I feel like I slowed down on that. Because I deleted that one sensor, it might have locked out my entire car this whole, like these past few months. So Martin sent me over 2 maps I'm trying to load in right now. Thankfully, Felipe is helping me out by grabbing the USB port thing where it's an adapter, it turns 1 into like 3 or 4. So now I'm just waiting, but now we know what in theory what it might be, which makes a lot of sense because the car is getting fuel. High pressure fuel pump was getting fuel this entire time until it started, and then it would just shut down. So that's the only thing that makes any kind of logical sense. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. Cheyenne's on the way. I still got sexy luxurious buns Roger over there just hanging out, and I have a fiance yelling at me. What's up? Now
some Chinese food?
Okay, later. Yeah, I'm down. Bro, so usually I see people doing like pulls left and right in front of the house, and we actually saw, I've been telling this guy to turbo his car for so long already. So all of a sudden this really mint Sheepy Race kit, a full Sheepy Race turbo kit. I don't know anything about these at all. They're the guys that, do you have Instagram or no?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
What's your Instagram? Do you mind?
You can follow me at Chris Revs to 9K.
See, dude, that's a really good Instagram name. But yeah, I saw him doing a pull, and he looked at my car, I looked at his, and I appreciate every kind of build except Mustangs.
Dude, this is sick, bro. I remember that car.
Well, I'm not loading up the map. I'm actually uploading. I'm updating EcuTek, but it's really cool. Why are you guys backing up? Like, and why are you hiding? What are you so scared of? Hello. It's pretty cool how like technology has evolved so much. Like going from piggyback like ECUs and chipping them and all that stuff to now it's just like software uploads. So saying you get away, go away, Borat. Bye, bye.
Don't look at me like that, earlier. I blurred myself out. So
Did you really just censor yourself?
Yes, I did.
All right, well, tune is uploading. This guy's very impatient. I understand why. I feel like everybody is. We've all been waiting for this car to start for like 5 months.
No,
so.
I could wait another 3 years.
Yeah, okay, stop. Dude, wow.
I'm just saying I could wait. You said we're impatient. I can wait another 3 years.
All right, bro, so he's gonna turn on the fuel. Fuel's on? Yeah, okay, all right, you can get out. It's all good.
Get out.
You can get out. Get out. Get out.
Get out.
Get out. All right, you ready? Oh, you're just gonna hide? Okay. All right, 3, 2, wait, do I have everything on? Okay, whatever. 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold the camera, hold the camera.
Okay. Do I stand in the front of it?
Okay, so
I don't think you're getting throttled.
It's the same thing.
that was the same. So no, it's definitely running more, but the thing is, it's not. I think it might be fuel because it's just dying out. One more time, let's see.
Sounds steady though.
It's better, All you do is you come here to this house, you make fun of my car, you slap my women, and you just eat our food. I actually am powering the high pressure fuel pump again because Martin is saying that we're still not getting fuel pressure. Though it's running better, which I think Martin was right about the car going in lit mode just because it didn't have the charge air coolant temperature sensor connected, because it is trying to run, but now it's just not getting enough fuel for it to actually stay consistent. So we might have an issue with either the wiring itself, like where I might have to ask Martin, I might trailer the car up to Martin to see if he can check the sub harness, or it just might be the actual high pressure fuel pump itself. So I can either ask a friend to see if I can switch out the stock one, because I know they've upgraded to the big bore high pressure fuel pump, or I can just buy a high pressure fuel pump. And yeah, so I got to make this decision because there is a meet in Atlanta where I'm supposed to link up with Boost in Motion, Enthusiast Point of View, and some other people. I want to be able to take this car out to that meet, so I need this car to be already running, have a shakedown, be good to go. But for some reason, every time we get close, dude, we always have, oh, there you go. The guy we just met, Chris, with the S2000, stopped us from being super ghetto, and he told us, why don't we just repin the connector to the high pressure fuel pump? And you know what? It made a lot of sense. Are you gonna repin it?
No, I'm actually gonna just test to see if you're getting power through the connector first versus anything else, because if you're getting power to the connector, then your pump is fried. Oh, yes.
It's always the Mustang guys, you know? Let's do that. So whatever, let's try and get this thing ready, because I want it, like I said, get to the meet with enthusiasts in Atlanta. Should be there November 7th and 8th. Regardless, I believe I'm gonna pop up even if the car doesn't run, but it'll be sick just to be able to get it up there. It's getting power.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No. Try starting it.
Try starting it.
I need to see what the ECU is gonna do.
Okay. So
I need you to check. Ask Martin what the reference voltage to the pump would be. Some weird noises when we had it running.
yeah, right?
Too weird. And now it's making a sneeze.
We're close, but we have no idea what's going on from this point. I'm gonna send Martin to log and see what he says.
Yeah, let's see what he's seeing on his side.
Yeah, because Martin's gonna see what's going on. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, I know what it is.
What is it? Dude, they all have smoke, bro.
I just want to let you know that I was like blown away that you're pressing the gas pedal in front of my face right now.
Bro, yeah, I forgot. Like, dude, I haven't put.
And I'm like, what the fuck is that?
I haven't put the pedal in the car yet. Right when we were about to finish up, I had 2 bolts to take off for the high pressure fuel pump. Thanks, Miami, for taking a giant dump on me. Cheyenne, what do you think the problem was?
I think that on these cars, in the high pressure, there's something that rides on the cam, and every time you start this car, I hear an unusual noise coming from that area. I don't think there's a problem. I just want to see if the piece that rides between the pump and the cam is on there, and if there is, we can continue troubleshooting somewhere else.
Now we got Chris, we got Cheyenne, myself,
and Rain.
Lots of it. All right, so we are now at Chris's house because he was very nice enough to let us be here, which, like, I'm not gonna reveal location or anything because, you know,
we're still moving in. I just bought the house last month.
well, I mean, even then, people are sketchy, bro, so I don't even want to show where you live and all that stuff.
This is what it's all about. This is like the whole car scene. This is
You don't want the whole car scene knowing where you live.
okay,
yes, thank you.
I understand that, but like,
yeah, but my subscribers will find you somehow, some way, dude. No matter what, I literally tell you guys all the time. Like, sometimes you guys take pictures in front of my house. It's really creepy, but I understand, you know, that it's all love. But it's super creepy sometimes. Like, we're here at Chris's house, and it's so look, let's get a start, bro. Here's. Oh, wait, no, you have a dump, right? So it's.
yeah, it's open down pipe right now.
All right. And you know, for open down pipe, it's not that loud at all.
That's turbo noise. Very quiet.
That's so sick, dude.
My car is louder.
What?
My car is louder.
What?